Find the probability that in a non-leap year there will be 53 Mondays. Number of days in a non-leap year are 365. For 365 days we have to find the number of weeks. We have to divide with 7 because the days in a week are 7. We will get 52 weeks by dividing with 7. The remainder is 1. That means there will be one remaining day. And for 52 weeks, 52 Mondays are confirmed. And the remaining one day may be any day in the week. And hence event of getting Monday is 1. Probability is 1 divided by 7. This is for a non-leap year. And for a leap year, the number of days are 366. And 53 weeks are confirmed and the remaining 2 days. And for 53 weeks, 53 Mondays are confirmed. The remaining 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Event of getting Monday is 2. The probability is 2 divided by 7. This is the another example. Find the probability that the helicopter will fall in the pond. This is the pond which is present in a rectangular park. The dimensions length 10 meters and breadth 4 meters. This pond is in circular shape with a radius of 1 meter. So the sample space formula is area of the rectangle. We have to find this. The formula is length multiplied with breadth, nothing but 10 multiplied with 4. We will get 40 square units as the area. And the possibility of the event that the helicopter will fall in the pond is, we have to find the pond area. For this the formula is pi r square. We will get 22 by 7. Possibility of that event is pond area divided with total area. 22 by 7 divided with 40. We will get 11 divided by 140 is the possibility of the event. This is the final outcome. Now coming to the third example, if 2 dice are rolled, write the event of following conditions. Sum of number of 2 dice are 5. There are 4 outcomes. 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5 and 4 plus 1 5. We will write like this. Probability is 4 divided by total outcomes 36. Coming to the second one, difference of the numbers on the dice are 2. There are 8 outcomes. These are, this is the first one, 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 2 2, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one and eighth one. Hence we will write like this. Probability is 8 divided by 36. One is same number on both dice. There are 6 events. These are first one 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. Hence we will write like this. Probability is 6 divided by 36. Different number on both dice. We will subtract the 6 same number on both dice. From the total outcomes 36, we will find the 30. Probability is 30 divided by 36. We will discuss about sure event. An event that is certain is called sure event. The example for this is, a dice is thrown, find the probability a number less than 7. Probability of sure event is 1. For this, all favorable outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And possible outcomes are also less than 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence the probability is 6 divided by 6, we will get 1. Now impossible event. An event cannot happen is called impossible event. Example, a dice is thrown, find the probability getting a number more than 6. All favorable outcomes are 6 and the possible event is 0. And hence probability is 0 divided by 6, we will get 0. Probability of getting a number more than 6 is 0. Useful to you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.